My name is Gary Hale. I'm the roofing construction manager for Semper Solaris. I was on the USS Mount Katmai from 71 to 75 during the Vietnam War. During my time in the Navy, I felt like I had a lot of personal growth during those years because of learning things like discipline, honesty, integrity, and camaraderie, working with shipmates for a common goal. As a roofing construction manager, I am responsible for communicating with customers and installers, making sure that everything is running smooth, making sure that they have the materials that they need, that the customers know what to expect, and that everyone stays on the same page. Everyone here at Semper Solaris works together very well and help each other. The values of the company, honesty and integrity, and how that carries over into how we take care of our customers and make sure that we do the very best we can for them. It makes me even more proud to be a part of Semper.